Win to win tayo, win to win, win to win. Oras, 8:55. Lang ha? Lang, sino mga nandyan? EJ, D, C, D. Diyan na magpatugtog. Sino nandyan? Si John, si Mac, tsaka si Urge. Tsaka Kinsey. Ruel, take it free. Wala. Rebound by Mac. Mac, steal. Steal by Masera. Steal ulit. Foul. Foul by TJD. Si Bora. To Isaac, take it free. Isaac Pinga. 3-0. To EJ. To Mac. Mac, take it to 2 points. Mac Bulache. To Noel. Well. 50 seconds to shoot. Take it free. Wala. Rebound by Rain. To Pinga, take it free ulit. Isaac Pinga. 9 minutes and 5 seconds. 6-2. To C. Lumipad. Wala. Rebound by Isaac din. Isaac. Take it free ulit. Isaac Pinga. Heat check mode. 9-2. Mac. To John. 18 seconds to shoot. John to Christian. Sa ilalim, lumipad na. 2 points. Christian D. 9-4. 2 points. Ruel Borra. 11-4. EJ taking his move. Taking 2. Wala. Rebound by D. Bumangga. Taking 2. 2 points. Christian D. Boomer na lang ating mga idol. 11-6. Magandang matchup na ito mga kaibigan. Isaac, moving shot. 2 points. By Isaac. Lumipad. Wala. Rebound by Isaac Pinga na naman. Tumira na naman ang press. Wala. Rebound by Christian. 7 minutes and 54. Christian. Lumipad. Wow! Narinig ko dito ang lamok. Foul by Isaac Pinga. Score, 13-6. To Urge. To Mac. Take it free. Mac. Wala. To D. 2 points. Christian. D. Bora na naman. 2 points by Ruel. Sa'yo na. Well. 2 points. 15-8. 7 minutes and 27 seconds. To Mac. Mac making his move. 2 points. Mac Bulache. 5 lang ang kalamangan. 15-10. 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Manzano. To Rain. Taking 2 points. Rain Panyares. Steal by Isaac. To Ruel. Taking 3. Ruel Borra. Mac Olelo. Taking 2. Wala. Rebound by Isaac. 20-10. 10 ang kalamangan. 6 minutes and 37 seconds. Isaac. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound by EJ. 20-10. EJ. Ayan na. EJ bumanggal. Lumipad. Turnover. Bola lang. Kinsey. Lumipad na. Wala. Rebound by Christian. Lumipad. 2 points. Christian D. 20-12. Lumipad na. Ay, hindi na ako sasabay doon. Ito, poster ako doon. 6 minutes and 14 seconds. 20-12. To Ruel. Looper. Wala. Rebound by Christian. Ayan na. Christian. Lumipad. Dilipat pa. 2 points. Christian D. Take it 2. Wala. Rebound by Ray. Foul by Christian D. 5 minutes and 54. 20-14. In favor favor of Team C. B versus ano to? B versus C pala to. Ayan na. Ruel, take it na naman. Wala. Rebound by Rain. Moving shot by Rain. 2 points by Rain Banyares. Wala shot by Rain Banyares. 5 minutes and 14 seconds. Christian, take it 2 points. Christian D. 22-16. Anim lang. Isaac. Making his move. Isaac. Ture, wala, rebound by Mac. Mac, 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Mac, to EJ, take it 3. Wala, rebound by Ray. 20 seconds, 5 minutes and 20 seconds. 22-16, anim lang, 5 minutes and 14. Last shot before, ano na to, change, take it 3, change na, change court, 25-16, 3 by Ruel Borra, Bossing, si Bossing nag-press, wala shot. Shoutout sa mga viewers natin dyan. Maraming salamat sa inyo. I love you all. Taking 3. Wala. Rebound ni Christian. Wala pa rin. 25-16 to Isaac. 4 minutes and 53 seconds. Taking 3. Isaac. Isaac. Pinga. Heat check mode. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. 18 seconds to shoot. Christian. Bumangga. Foul. Foul by jersey number. Lahat kayo. Foul kayo. Ha? 12. Nakita ng ating cameraman. Foul down number 12. Ang lumit mo. Lumipat. Ayun o. Wala. 4 minutes and 28. Rebound by Basera. Take it na naman. Pinga wala. Rebound by Mac. Mac nagmamadali. Mac moving shot ni Mac. Nakuha ni Rain to Ruel. Pink. 2 points. Ruel Borra. 30-16 in favor of Team C. Grabe na. Wala. To Christian. Good. To Isaac. Pinamala ni Urge. Back to Ruel. 17 seconds to shoot. To Manzano, take it 2. Inasin ka pa. 2 points kay Manzano. 32-16 in favor of Team C. Steal by Rain. Lumipad si Rain. Good key by Edge. Gabor. Edge. Pass to EJ. 30 seconds to shoot. EJ. 2 points. EJD. 32-18. 3 minutes and 13 seconds. 32-18. 18 seconds to shoot. Ruel. Wait. 11 seconds to shoot. Inasita na naman. Wala. Rebound din ni Isaac. 2 minutes and 56. Isaac. Lumipad. Foul by jersey number 24. Nakita ni cameraman na naman. First personal foul by John. 2 minutes and 44. Sa gitna, Rain. Libre. Nabulol. Rebound by John. 2 minutes and 23 seconds. 17 seconds to shoot. Steal by Ruel. Bossing. Touch pass to Manzano. Moving shot wala. Rebound by Christian. 2 minutes and 20. Christian to EJ. Take it 3. Wala. Rebound by Isaac. Nakakarami na yan. 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Wala kapos. Steal by Rain. 2 points by Rain Banyares. 34-18. Mac. Sa kanya na kaya? To Urge. Take it 3. Urge Gabor. What a shot by Urge Gabor. 34-21. 1 minute and 42 seconds. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Ayan na, take it din na naman, Ruel. Wala, rebound by Urge. 1 minute and 32. Ruel. Well. Ay, Urge pala, take it 3. 3! Urge, Gabor. Back to back. 34. 10 na lang ang steal by EJ. EJ. Lumipad. 2 points. EJ D. Nakita sa toaster yun. Papagawa tayo tarpaulin ng mga ganung highlights. 34-26. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. Op! Ano tawag? 55 seconds. Good B lang. Bola na. Team B. 34-26. 47 seconds na lang. Kaya pa yan with a hot shooting of Urge Gabor. 46 seconds. To EJ. Take it to EJ. Wala. Rebound by. 2 points by Christian D. 34, 28, 34 seconds. 34, 30 seconds. 18 seconds to shoot. 16 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. 10, 9 seconds. Steal by Christian. Nauna na. 16 seconds. 2 points. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. 9 seconds. 5, 4,